Hey you guys, and what is up? My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all of social media, now TikTok too, but I'm not very active on there. I need to fix that. But anyways, today is not going to be a vlog. What I'm going to do today is show you all what I got yesterday. I got a few things. I went to Hobby Lobby, Target, and Erin Condren. So I showed you all a little bit at each of the stores except for Target. But at Hobby Lobby, I got literally just things for my niece and nephew, which is the most random place to get things for toddlers. But I found them these two cute little sticker books. Everything from the Christmas collection, anything that was Christmas themed, was 60% off. So these were like less than $1.50. So these are for their stocking stuffers, which now I feel like I have too many things, but we'll figure it out. And then I bought them two of these, I don't know, what are these called? I don't know what these are.
The poppers.
Oh, ball poppers. So you just put the ball in their mouth, squeeze it out, and it just pops them out, which I think they're gonna have tons of fun with. They're my nephew loves playing with like basketballs, baseballs, anything, so I'm pretty sure he'll have lots of fun with those. I got these little bows for my niece. I figured I could do some little bows on her, some little pigtails, and she's gonna love these. She's a really girly girl, so she likes having cute little bows. And then I got these two. They're obsessed with Mickey and Minnie, and I also got them Mickey and Minnie pajamas and slippers, and I think they're gonna love these. So really cute. And these were also 60% off, so what a deal. And then at Target, I got some Christmas cards. I think these are so cute, and they were only $1, so I'm gonna send these out to my friends, maybe put some cute washi in there or something, and send them out to them. And I also got this cute little bow. I've been wanting a bow like this, and usually these bows, like when they're from like a expensive store, these are usually really expensive, but this was only $8, and it is so cute. They had a black one too, and I'm sure it's gonna look really pretty with like a little half up, half down do. And I also got these are like I don't know, glitter sprinkles, whatever. I don't know what to call them. What would they be? I don't know, like sprinkles. And they're tree shaped and snowflake shaped. I thought about making like some little shakers, maybe like a little DIY or something. We'll see if that happens, but I do have a box upstairs in my office where I keep all of my Christmas stuff that I DIY with. So I figured if I don't use them this year, I can save them in there and use them for next year. I also got these two from the dollar section at Target. I was about to say Walmart, for my niece and nephew stockings, just to know which one is whose. And then for the exciting part, well, I love everything that I got, but I went to the Erin Condren store, and I did show you all quite a bit in the store. Like, I feel like I did a pretty good job compared to like what I usually do. Majority of the time I forget that I'm recording and showing you all, but this time I tried a little bit harder to actually show you all things, kind of take you all shopping with me. So let me know if you enjoyed that, and I'll definitely try a little harder to do better. So let's start with the accessories. So I did get this right here. It's a two-sided dashboard, and it's a wellness log. So it's Monday through Sunday, and it has a movement section and a food log. So I think I told you I've been using a petite planner, the Wellness Petite Planner, to keep track of like my meals and food and everything like that. But I figured if I could use this in my regular planner, maybe I don't have to use an additional planner. You know what I mean? So I feel like that would be something good to try out. And on the back, it has weekly wellness goals, wellness goal action steps, weekly self-care, and healthy habit tracking. And it does have some things already pre-filled out for a daily water intake, daily step goal, and nightly sleep goal. and then it has some extra blank spots for you to fill out if you wanted to. And then I got, these were, let me go with these first. It's the sticky notes insert, so you can actually snap it into your planner. I have a coil planner, 7x9 coil planner, and I figured I could use this. And this was $10.50, and there was an additional 30% off accessories. The dashboard was $7.50. And then I got this sticker sheet. It was on sale for $3, and I think it's so cute, and I believe it's 2 sticker sheets. Let me open it up. Let's see. Yeah, it is 2 sticker sheets. How cute. These are so pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to use these in my planner. So it has both of these. It's kind of interesting. Like, I feel like these colors don't really go together, but it is so cute. Let me try to put this back into, honestly, I'm gonna leave it out of the packaging because I have a little folder where I keep all of my stickers in, so I can stick that in there. They also had this on sale. It's a pop socket with the Erin Condren, I think it's the kaleidoscope print, which I regret not buying maybe an additional 2 more to gift for Christmas. So like give it to my mom or maybe my sister-in-law or something, but too bad they don't get any of that because I want that one. And then I got this marker. It's like a mauve color. I think it's so cute. I love these like very neutral earthy tones. They had other ones, but I like this one the most. And to build, like, I think a 6-pack is like $18, and I was not about that life. So I only bought one, and it was only $2.75. And then I got, so they had a great deal where if you bought a notebook, you got a free metallic cover. Well, that's Matthew in the background opening a soda. But I think I showed you all this cover at the store in yesterday's vlog, and it's like Valentine's Day themed, and I really wanted this cover. So I went up to the counter to ask them if that was actually a deal that they were having, because it was just kind of like in the back of a bunch of notebooks. I was like, I just want to confirm. And she's like, yeah. And I told her I wanted the Valentine's Day cover, and I was just gonna buy that one separately. She's like, well, do you want it on your notebook? And I'm like, well, duh, I can actually like get it on the notebook. So I got this cover on the notebook, and I got it personalized to say, if it'll focus, there it goes, to say Anabel Olguin, which is my last name. And I picked out a foiled cover, which I think is so cute. It says kindness always, and I just think it's adorable. I think it's really cute for like all the time cover. I don't know, it's just adorable. Like, it works for summer, it works for spring. I have another cover that I'm gonna use majority of the time, but I think this is really, really cute. And basically for the price of a notebook, I got 2 covers. Although like the notebook comes with a cover, but I was gonna buy 2 covers already, and the covers are $13.50 each, and the metallic ones are $13.50. The original ones, like the normal ones, I think are $11.50. So it would have been like $23, which a notebook, I believe it's like $22.50. So I technically got, you know, well, obviously I got a cover for free, but I don't know, it was such a great deal. I enjoyed it so much. And then because I spent, it came out to $40. So that was, I think, a really good deal for everything that I got. But because of the, I guess, the original cost that it would have all come out to, she still ended up giving me the tote bag, which you get for free if you spend over $50. So I am really excited to honestly change out my cover, but I'm gonna wait because the cover that I have on right now is a Christmas cover. But I'm really excited just to have all the cover options, to have all the accessories that I have. And I don't know, I'm just really loving my planner. I'm pretty sure I showed it to you all. I've done a couple videos where I decorated one with you all, but just chatting. I am using the weekly hourly planner from Erin Condren in the 7x9, and I love it so much. It's just perfect for my needs and how I use it. It's just, I don't know, I love it so much. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little haul of the things that I got while out in Austin yesterday. And if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.